Corruption update. Accra High Court had dismissed Chairman Wontumi submission of no case. We information Deputy Attorney General Mr. Justice Remsai Edi Ababetu Abontin. So we fresh news and council Koka Akasa won. Sasuna before and ne proceeding ne bekosono. Chairman Wontumi lawyer Mr. Andy Apiakubi Ekasaye. Two videos are ewa ha say mebebo achiraw na case no say na etie mo kai say earlier on me ba bebo mama ne say Chairman Wontumi submit bibia friend submission of no case edema Accra High Court claiming say evidence na the state through the Attorney General epeso omugina so punish Wontumi ana edi Wontumi koko pie mu ewo jail no sa evidence nenya enough to prosecute him or send him to jail. And in the submission of no case no se wo bono tofa ne nyina ne say court no mo asem ne ntungu na yenjai ma yen continue case no na yen free Wontumi na Chairman Wontumi submit ye na say judges ekinkan no mo fifi niama mo na at the end of the day no wo mo take decision as a fata enti ye na Accra High Court judge no take case no so tina se hwem no say no Wontumi submission of no case no ma yeden mabo atu agu na ne abanie briefly and I'm the amount now yen hwade yen dive deeper. This afternoon the High Court dismissed Chairman Wontumi's submission of no case in the Republic vs Bernard and Chubosiakum Kwame Entry and Akunta Mining Company Limited. In the case no Wontumi Kwame Entry and Akunta Mining Company Limited. Ha womuna case ni against them, but Wontumi na the boss until no na edi matter mind. This means two things. One, that our illustrious state attorneys have proven the allegation in the case, and two, that if Chairman Wontumi fails to give a sensible explanation to the accusations, he will be convicted and punished. Enti, sa first point we eniyama mienu ene ewom. Number one, submission of no case na ene Accra High Court botugu ye no echere say. Number one, no echere say state attorney and I say the Attorney General Ojina Ghana naimu epese ye prosecute Wontumi no ana Attorney General Ojina Ghana naimu the case we ama Ghana as a nation no I'll prove it to the court say allegations are yede to Wontumi so say or ye galamsey or ton concession we ma we ni ade allegations ni nyina no wo mu dismiss Wontumi submission of no case now prove it say yes, evidence or mudi buyer to back allegation against Wontumi nyina in the case no no correct. Cause o ma prove ya to the court and say wo mu wanjina so e kire say ye punish Wontumi. That is number one. Number two, say Chairman Wontumi antimi ambambe explaining no hu. Am make sure the explanation no be make sense to the court and the be convict no na ya twina so. And the two things, Attorney General prove it to the court say yes, evidence are you offer Wontumi who are valid. Number two, say Wontumi from a neko Wontumi and the next time on by a court proceedings, say Wontumi and me explaining who ye are, meaning he will be convicted and then punished at the end of the day. And the argument is Attorney General Biano Waye to see a bibia she Wontumi in the lawyers and them. Response or would be ban a say the case will continue. I ever and I say ever convicted Wontumi. And when I diaka, Uba say the court has since directed him and his Akunta Mining to explain their side of the story. If they have any explanations by calling witnesses, if they have any witnesses to call the ye. To say, court and Makwan say, Chairman Wontumi in Akunta Mining. Embe explain your explanation be we as be our famra. So mu witness be adansi ni bi wo baby a omo go fa nbra. Any witness be a omo wo ne baby a they should bring that witness. Witness omo wo bi a omo pese omo frɛ. Emma witness no eba be dia dance here no, they should call. Or you are ready. But at this juncture, Mr. Serem Sayo, Deputy Attorney General, episode chair say, and you may say Attorney General ye be our ye. Account to me the explanation in response every free lawyers waba and a better judge in your bay. That is the only thing left. Madam said me since Wontumi prosecution we start here since last year 2025 by payment there. There is no single day I proceed now cause a man found update and I am the only social media journalist in this country. Mid the case we achieve every single day. There is no online blogger in Ghana or follow Wontumi case with me. Nobody. I have reported on this case several times than any blogger in Ghana. But the case we achieve from day one till date. Every single proceeding ya me the one update bremo. That is why when I sit here, may you bold enough to tell you say the only active case going now in this country, a prosecution case, a Wontumi case. No, that is the only active case. Every day, you might update one, and I like how Mr. Sai Esubomodi Mahu update every day. Actually, that is the only case. At least in Crawford, Kakrawo, Hope, at the end of the day, the necessary result, and I say to yield necessary results because every day, you a active case. Yeah, didn't send your gun of need as a fata. Even as you expect, even though you are journey, dear, but you're normal. That's how it's supposed to be. And you know, Wontumi case now. I have said before on my record, Tiasaman lawyer kind.
The ruling upheld for us, and when the ruling is upheld, that's the end of the trial. On the other hand, if unexpectedly the ruling is declined, then we will have to take the next step. We will come back to think about the whole proceedings, particularly the justification for the refusal, and we will take a decision at that point if we have to file an appeal or if we have to open our case. But we are very hopeful that our application will be acceptable and that will bring proceedings to an end. In the other case of the memory forest, we are supposed to finish our case management today. The reason we had to attend to today was that some of the documents filed by the Attorney General were not readable. We complained profusely about most of them. Confirm that as at yesterday, or as at Friday, we have received readable copies of such documents. So we are hopeful that today we will finish our case management and take a date for the commencement of the trial. We will come back to you and inform you of what have happened if we finish the proceedings. Again, we are very thankful for your continued support. Thank you, okay, thank you.
And say, guys, this is Wontumi's lawyer. Nah, hey, I say more. Tia Koka so. Koka the MVP Banama man, chief of staff, the minimum young dream. Hey, Koka the MPP Banama man, chief of staff, I mean, Tiasi. Mel lobby, Mama, Tia Koka, listen to him.
Obekaya want to be filing for submission of no case. Inti ene on say last week yabaye no aban so dey in response by inti ene on be ma ruling. Ba ma obi ayem hihye no say ene bi ana yabo agu na ye ruling against ya. Enche say want to me lose you there be. Afei ena court beka say Wontumi emfa the evidence mra aban so mfa the evidence mra na afi na try ananka say ba besia ehon ye be enmu gamu no enti wo se maye kire bia kire say wo se oye guilty ena promo aso de je say wotumi approve say nipa na ye enti ehon ye kono say dear Wontumi can say Bibia one who be any Bibia wa comuna ni dear or ma submitting Bibia say evidence be any ho and into and or submitting or filing for a submission of no case. In TNS rule against in ya. Nature say will be any defense. Na abain so the evidence, but now want to meet the evidence, but now trial of the case nangasa ebe shasi. Enti ma obi yam hyehyɛ no ma obi nsuro afa kura na abro na ebe so love for the people. I mean Wontumi mo akyere no do mo akyere no ma supporting na di n'akyi ya enti trial process no bedu o ne evidence woni bibia mre no so a na process ne start ya na bobo enti ma obi anyam hyehyɛ no ma obi nkan na ada wo say ene ye be jeli no ana say ne ye be no NC Sada. I feel a process Nankasa Babe started.
Coca, we are sure say case we want as what you say. Attorney General Wina Juma. You understand? Attorney General Wina Juma. And the Attorney General here, Attorney General here so be provide evidence. As I say, Bibia Shamunsem. Yes. Bibia Shamunsem. Attorney General, why Bibia evidence as if I was submit here. Nti akaza mumbe yimu ano munsumi witness amwana munsumu de naba enye just witness keke o nya witness bia na witness o you understand so ne wo hono no this is Koka enti we corruption update on Ashanti governor the case no baby akoduru no kan ye to form wo ho a me de bebremo me de fantastic. What is your take on this issue? Pass your comment. Thank you.